Hi, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Welcome. A long time ago, I did a video on how to keep your bathroom tile grout clean and white without having to bleach it every time you turn around. And that was with a spray bottle filled with rubbing alcohol. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link in the description below. We found another use for this spray bottle of alcohol. And let me tell you, it works like a charm every time. It's a very effective bug spray. Fast acting too. So we found that if we get a fly in the house, like in the kitchen when we come in from the garage and it's buzzing around the window or something, we run for this spray bottle with nothing in there except pure rubbing alcohol. It's not diluted, straight out of the bottle. And we spray that fly, and it only takes a couple sprays, pss, pss, and you're done. And that fly just drops. There is no fight, there is no delay, it just falls. Another example, the other day my husband was taking the window air conditioner unit out of our bedroom, and as soon as he moved the side panels inward, a huge wasp flew in the bedroom. Well, that's not the kind of company that we like to keep, so he ran for the alcohol spray bottle, which was nearby in the bathroom, and he gave a quick spray to that wasp, and it just dropped right down flat. So it works very well. It's quick acting. It's a very safe in the respect of you're not going to have a lot of bug spray smell and chemicals lingering around. One note of caution, like I gave in the other video, you have to be a little mindful about what you spray this over because it is rubbing alcohol and it might damage the finish on some wood furniture. I have not tested for that, so you have to be careful. I do know that if you spray it over paint, let's say you've got a fly in the window and you go pss, 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 and that alcohol kills the fly, but it also lands on the paint on your window. It will soften the paint temporarily. You do not touch it. You do not pick up the fly until the paint has dried, which will not take long. The alcohol evaporates very, very quickly, and then everything is fine. So we use it. We've used this for years. Actually for years as a bug spray. I have never once permanently damaged anything in the house, but I do want to extend a note of caution because I have not tested it specifically on wood furniture finishes. Some finishes might be damaged by alcohol, some may not. I don't know, and I don't want to be responsible for damaging your furniture. So if you want to be on the safe side, test it in an inconspicuous spot on the furniture and make sure. But I do want to let you know that this is a very fast, effective, cheap bug spray. Now you might ask, what kind of alcohol? It's just rubbing alcohol. I know there's two strengths in the grocery store and in Walmart and anywhere you might buy alcohol, Dollar General, wherever. There's like it's about a 90% or so and a 70%. I checked my bottles. I've got the cheaper 70%. It works very, very well as a bug spray. The bugs just drop. So obviously both would work. If you're potentially going to spray this over paint or furniture, I would opt for the 70%, the weaker. And I do not dilute this. It's straight out of the bottle. So give it a try sometime. Man, it really works and it's inexpensive, and you can have it around and have multi-uses out of it. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. I sure hope this helps. Have a great day.